Hi, folks. I'm Bruce Paulson with Determined Solutions Search Marketing. Visit determinedsolutions.com, and I help dentists get more patients using Google. And today I want to talk about a very common mistake I see most dentists make, and this is dentists who are using Google Ads, the Google cost per click. And the mistake I see that they're making, where they're just lighting money on fire, is having their ads show up when somebody searches for a specific dentist or dental practice in that city. So most of the time, you're going to have your ads show up for dentist searches in the city that you are in. So if you're a Charlotte dentist, you want your ads to show up for people that are looking for dentist in Charlotte, dentistry in Charlotte. I need a dentist in Charlotte, North Carolina. Some variation of that. The problem is when you have your ads show up for basically your competitors. So if someone goes to Google and they're searching for Dr. Bob, dentist, Charlotte, North Carolina, or I'm looking for Dr. Bob in Charlotte, North Carolina, and you have your ads set up to show up for dentist searches in Charlotte, North Carolina, so your ad shows up when they are looking for Dr. Bob in Charlotte, North Carolina, and they see your ad, which is not Dr. Bob, you are the quality dentist in Charlotte. They don't want to see you, but your ad shows up because it's not properly optimized. They click on your ad because people just click on the first thing they see. And they also just tell their phone, they think their phone pulled up the right thing because people are used to Google providing them everything, all the information they want. So they click on the first thing they see, which is your ad, and they go to your website, and you're the quality dentist in Charlotte? You're not Dr. Bob in Charlotte. So they go there and they're like, what the heck? This isn't Dr. Bob. They immediately hit the back button. That's called a bounce, and you don't get, you're not going to get a phone call. You're not going to get a new patient out of that. They never wanted to see you. They wanted to go to Dr. Bob, and they're like, why did Google show me this thing? Well, Google showed you some options. You clicked on the wrong thing, but that's just human nature. But the problem is you just got charged for that click. Google served your ad to somebody in Charlotte who was looking for a dentist, which is what which is what you told Google to do. But that's completely somebody that you don't want. They're not going to convert, but you still get charged like the $5 or $7 or whatever it is for that click. And if you don't know about this, you're just wasting money. So like imagine like 100 of those clicks or 1,000 of those clicks. And I see places doing this all the time. The reason why you don't want to do it is because think about it. If I want to see Dr. Bob in Charlotte, that's because I'm probably already a patient of Dr. Bob's and I need to ask him a question, or I need to get an appointment or whatever. And I just tell my phone to look for him and it shows me your ad. I just hit the first thing I see. I'm at your website, the quality dentist. That's not who I want to see. There's no way I'm going to call you to get your goods and services when I want to see this other dentist. So you don't want to run your ads against your competitors. So the way you want to fix this is when you're setting up these Google ad campaigns, you basically just block out all the dentists all the dental practices in your area, in the city that you were in. They're your competitors. You want to add those to your negative keyword list, because if someone is specifically doing a brand search or a doctor's name search for that dentist, they're not going to be your patient. So no point in showing your ads. And then once you've done that, once you have your ad campaign running, you want to monitor it over time, because people will look for a specific dentist name. So let's say Dr. Bob works at the best dentist in Charlotte. Like that's their name. I'm not good with names. But let's say the practice is the best dentist in Charlotte and Dr. Bob works there. So you would block out, before you even start the campaign, the best dentist in Charlotte. And then over time, you'll see people just search for like the specific doctor's names. And so as you see that come in to your data over months, you just go and you block out all the dentist names. And then they'll even spell the dentist names wrong, and your ad will still show up. So then you block out all that stuff. So you stay on top of your negative keywords because they're not going to bring you any money. You don't want to show your ads to them. And this way, over time, you're only going to show up for people that are looking for any type of dentist in Charlotte, not a specific Dr. Bob. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. And that's all for today's video.